is officially just days away, and for all you music lovers out there, that means it's time for all the festivals, from South by Southwest and Coachella to, of course, Bonnaroo and Lollapalooza. There really is no shortage of options, but I have to say the fashion at these festivals has become almost more popular than the music. That's right, festival fashion has taken off in a big way. So today I'm going to show you some style tips on what to wear so you can rock out like a total pro to all your favorite festivals. So first off, it is all about what I like to call boho chic. It all starts with kind of those vintage pieces you've always wanted to wear but were a little bit afraid to try. These are a little more tame, but you know what I mean. So these are just fun dresses I found. Again, vintage, very, very light, very airy. Anything paisley, hippie, really eclectic is always a fun thing to wear at the festival. Look at this one too, party in the back, hello. So those are always really fun. Now, a lot of you will likely be going from the pool to the festival, especially like Coachella, you rent a house, you go in the pool. The only thing I will say, don't wear a swimsuit to the festival. It just is a little awkward. I know you think it's sexy, but always recommend a little bit of a cover up. So what you can do, you know, pair that fun, eclectic little bikini top with some little jean shorts. So these are fun, again, vintage inspired. They've got these little holes in here to make it look a little worn. Once you have this down, you're gonna be in the sun all day long, but remember that it's probably gonna get cold at night, so you definitely wanna layer up. So what you can do with that, don't do anything too heavy, but you can do these fun tops. I love this one. You see these a lot. They have this fun fringe, really beautiful, but also like the perfect amount of weight for those summer festivals. You can also do a jean jacket here. So you see I have this cute little boho dress, but it's sleeveless, so you got a little jean jacket on top. So those are some good options for keeping warm at night, but during the day you want to make sure to have that sun protection. And with that, of course, you can actually use hats as your best friend's accessories. These are really fun. Of course, you got your shades. When it comes to accessories over here, the more eclectic, the bigger the jewelry, the better. We've got a lot of really fun pieces here. And also purses. Women know this. We have a lot of stuff. We like to have purses at all times. Just make sure that you do a crossbody one so that way your hands are free to dance and drink and do all that fun stuff. So next up, of course, flower crowns are one of the most popular things at festivals. They are so pretty. All those Coachella Music Fest, Bonnaroo, all of those are a perfect opportunity to wear them, but they can actually be really expensive. So really quickly, I'm gonna show you how to do it on your own at home. So all you need here is some floral grapevine wire. We also have some floral tape, a hot glue gun, and all of these really pretty fake flowers. And what you're gonna do is you're gonna take this wire and you're basically just gonna measure a round length of however big your head is. You're gonna cut that and then you're gonna times that by 3. Once you have 3 strands out, you're gonna tie them together, and then what you wanna do is braid them. And you're gonna braid them because you basically want something for the flowers to stick to once you put the glue on. So once you have it braided, for the sake of television here, you're just gonna fold it around in a ring and then attach some floral tape to the end and weave that around. It's gonna basically look like this. Then you just take these flowers, you just pop them off the top. So let's get one here. Pop it off the top, then just put some glue right on the edge. Definitely the more glue, the better. Can never have enough. And then voila, all you do is just glue it right on to the end of this little floral wire. Wait a couple seconds, and there you have it. So these are just really beautiful ways to look really chic while having a great time listening to all that music. Whoops. Just make sure it dries there long enough. But of course, if you guys have any ideas for all those festival stuff, please send them my way. You can hit me up on Twitter or Facebook. Just use the hashtag PositivelyFashionable. So there you have it.